How's it? Thank you very much. Oh, no, no worries. Right on. Hey, thank you. Have a good evening. All right. We finally got our delivery from Tuckys Bettas. And Tucky is actually my transshipper, probably the best transshipper ever. I have about 20 fish maybe. I got it from Thailand, I got it from Indonesia, and actually bought a couple from Tucky herself. She's also a retail betta fish seller as well as gut. But if you have any questions about how good Tucky is as a transshipper, this is probably a video that you would probably want to watch. This is it. This is the box. I've never even opened it yet. I just got it. Right now the time is 7:03 p.m. UPS, and you can see there's a stamp here saying that it is authorized by the state. All right, so real quick, we're just going to look at the box. This is a very nice solid box. She doesn't use cheap kind of stuff. She has stickers on here and everything that's needed and required by law for Hawaii. This is shipped UPS second day air. UPS upped their prices, so I don't do overnight shipping anymore. All right, let's get this video started and get this fish out of here. Ooh, I'm pretty excited. It's very late at night. Well, 7 o'clock is not that late, but it's late for receiving packages from UPS. So again, they were probably very busy, if anything. All right, so again, going back to Tucky as being the transshipper, you're gonna open this box and I already know how she packs her fish. It's very professional, very good. This is what you're actually paying for, and really she doesn't charge that much for what she does. So we got a foam top over here, which is insulation. We have, I'm just gonna put this down here, we have a lot of newspaper, of course, to protect the fish from getting all smooshed up. We have a liner, styrofoam liner in here as well. So this is your basic packing, but she packs it very well. Let me tell you that I've ordered some fish from the US, and unfortunately, they don't have liners. They don't do any of that stuff like she does. The fish are just in a bag. They flop around. The bag moves all over the place. And, you know, it's just not good for the fish at all. A lot of times I see the fish, they come and they are, the bag is empty because all the water came out. Okay, let's get to it. Let's see what we have here. I don't know how many fish I actually have here, but I have a ton. This is a big order for me as a small shop. Those containers over there are all prepped to acclimate all the fish, and I have some back there as well. First, we have here a living, so this is good. This is a living Dumbo betta. Hopefully I can get close enough to focus here for Instagram. This is a Dumbo half moon. The fish is alive and well, so thank you for that. This fish was from eBay. We have another fish here. This one is a half moon, alive and well. This one I believe is also from eBay. He doesn't look too good. He's kind of swimming on his side. Maybe he's got some swim bladder issues right now. We'll take care of that. Let's see, we have another one here, alive and well. I bet you this is from Frank's Bettas. Yes, because I can tell because Frank's Bettas likes to use a lot of tannin in his water because he does wild bettas. And this betta looks like it's alive. Doesn't look like it's swimming around like it's all happy and stuff, but it's alive. Ooh, this is beautiful. Wow. This is a nice one. Oh, let me show Frank's fish first. This is a wild betta. They call these the aliens sometimes. I don't know if you can see it, but again, we'll get them acclimated. And then we have this one. I don't know if you can see this, but looks like that. Again, once it's acclimated, I'll show it to you. I do use a drip acclimation. Okay, we have another Dumbo half moon. Beautiful, nice and alive. I love it. I love it. This one is actually from eBay as well. This one is no fish. There's no fish in here. Who is this from? This is a gold Dumbo. Well, we'll see. Okay, we have another one here, alive and well. Another nice male koi half moon betta. You can see right here, another eBay purchase. This one was When I say eBay though, I actually mean Thailand, because Thailand is where I get those from. Oh my gosh, this is a beautiful Dumbo. Amazing, wow. This is a koi yellow copper Dumbo. Interesting, I don't remember buying this. But I'm not complaining, he's a beaut, or is it a she? It might be a she, we'll see. Okay, next is crown tail, copper, male, another male, nice and alive, thank you very much. And again, Tucky is the one, well, the sellers also get credit, don't get me wrong, but the transhipper has a lot to do with it. The transshippers in Thailand and Indonesia, as well as US, which is Tucky, gets credit for it as well. This, I don't know if there's a fish alive in here, but this is what it looks like. A lot of times the seller will wrap it so it keeps the fish from seeing other fish and it doesn't get stressed out and die. So that's cool. Let's see here. This is what it looks like. Okay, so next fish. This I believe is from Tucky. So this is a fish from Tucky's website. I don't know why it's not focusing. It's kind of crazy actually. But here we go. This is a crown tail female from Tucky, nice and healthy. We have another one here. Oh, he's a beaut. I believe this one might be from Indonesia. I'd have to check. But this also looks nice and healthy. So that's so far 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is a male crown tail. Oh yeah, he's a beaut. This is a double ray crown tail betta. This is the platinum from Tucky. So not only is she a very good transhipper, she's also a very good retail seller. All her fish are all beautiful. Yet another male Dumbo. This is a half moon Dumbo. I don't know why I bought so many of those. That's from Thailand. What do we have here? This is from Thailand. This is a plakat, but I don't know. Oh, it's a double tail. HMPK is a double half moon plakat. So we have that over here, half moon plakat. Nice and alive. I don't know if this is a male or female, but nice and alive. Very good. What next? I'm not even counting. Are you guys counting? I'm not even counting. All right, this one is from Thailand. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful half moon male. Koi. A good seller. I think I'm probably going to buy more from him. This is from Thailand. This, again, from Thailand. I must have bought a lot from this guy. Is the fish alive? Yep, fish is alive. I just saw it twitch. Sometimes these fish stress out and they just like, they're not having it, you know? Then we got another one from Thailand. Another, I believe this is a half moon. At least it looks like one. All right. We have another one. This is Tuckys Bettas. Again, because of the tannin, you can tell. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. Okay, we have another one here. Completely sealed. Ooh, but you can see it. This is a male samurai. Yes, sir. Beautiful fish. Plakat. This is a half moon. Again, this might be from Indonesia. I'd have to double check. Actually, I really don't care. Actually, I'd have to double check. All right, so we have more from Thailand. Sometimes you wrap it up like this, which looks pretty cool. I'll just open the bag real quick there. Oh, nice and alive. Wow, beautiful Dumbo. You can see, probably not because it's not focusing. I gotta figure out what the problem is with the focus. Yeah, this is from Indonesia because it's JBG. That's the JBG is a transhipper for Indonesia. A very good transhipper, by the way. They take care of their fish. They make sure the fish is nice and healthy before it gets to Tucky, and Tucky does the same. Now we got another bag with 3 little bags in it. This one is Indonesian import. He looks kind of sick, but we'll get him healthy again. It could be, you know, like I said, these guys traveled so far. Oh, we got a DOA. Shoot. That sucks. Well, so we got a DOA here. Normally you can get your money back, but you know, that's the risk. That's the risk. This is definitely not Tucky's fault. Half moon, Dumbo ear. All right, well, we'll try to revive her. So you can see that there's poop in the bag, quite a bit of poop actually, and that's an indication that this fish was in condition before it was shipped. This is from the same seller from Indonesia. This is the male Dumbo ear, but he's alive. So we have 1 DOA, which is not bad if you think about it. I want to make sure I got nothing else in here, so let's just take out all the rubbish. I always do this, you know, in case Tucky sent me a gift. She didn't, but I always have that hope sometimes, you know. I don't know how many I have. I didn't count. I hope you guys counted. So we'll do this. We'll do 1, 2, this is the dead one. 2, we got 3. So I gotta record this. So 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much for joining me on this unboxing. And I'm gonna get these fish acclimated, get it on the shelf. I'm gonna get it quarantined. I'm gonna get it medicated, and then we're just going to see if anybody wants to buy any one of these beauties, or if any one of these beauties are gonna be one of my breeders, or all of them. Who knows? All right, peace. Check you out later. All right.